Hi everyone, Sunday the 19th of Feb. Do a quick one on natural gas. So this is how I've been trading it. I've posted a few charts of this. Nice strong down channel. My yellow area here was my sort of key support resistance area. I was looking for a break above that, break of the trend line, to start becoming bullish on it. That will be moved now because we've obviously dropped out of this local support resistance, which are these white markers. We've re-entered the channel. And for me, still looks bearish. Let's just chuck this on a 1 hour. So that's what it looks like on a 1 hour. So you can see the yellow box. This was my major area. I wanted to see a breakthrough here. Well, break of trend line, break of these highs, and breaking. Tried back here last week, failed. Last week it did break out the trend line. It came in, retested. What I didn't like was it was retested, kept retesting to the downside, kept retesting, broke. What I would like to see is a breakout retest resumption. That obviously failed, put in a lower high. This is my local sort of channel structure here. So break there, break of the trend line. I went short again. Will it complete all this? I imagine it will probably come down at least to the center again. We've got two markers here. This is a fib setup that I've got, which I'll go onto the other chart now, but on the higher time frames, definitely still bearish for me. So let's just get rid of that. I'm going to have a look at the fib setup I'm using. So my 150 was my key level to come back through. Above looks more bullish, below looks more bearish. Chopped about really in the week or last couple of weeks. Did break through, broke the lows. When it broke out my 150, I then got my fib in fib set up and it has entered that beautifully. Rejected out the 50, come back in to the 38 and again rejected there. So I'm still looking for more downside. First target is down here, the 61.8, which sits at call it 2.2. This is in US dollars, by the way. Ultimate target down here, 1.985. That's if it's complete set from the 150 to the 161 extension. And if we just run this, I think I've shown this before, if we just run this level here and go back some time, just chuck it on a weekly. You can see our level here. It does pick up lows here, and you have got high, all interacting with it. So it is definitely not out of the question, and it is a level that's been used before. So that's my setup still. I'd like to see this area hold here. It could come back up and retest this trend line. Would want to see it reject out of there really. 150 is still the key area for me at the moment, but currently still looking for more downside. Break or hold here is quite key, and that opens up this lower level down here. Cheers.